Welcome to the MedTech Minis on the JADA system. Today, we will be reviewing the troubleshooting guide to JADA using the 4 S's. Dr. Smith has placed the JADA system in a patient experiencing abnormal postpartum bleeding or hemorrhage. Dr. Smith quickly noticed that JADA was not working as expected and decided to run through the 4 S's for troubleshooting with JADA: suction, seal, sweep, source. The first S is suction. Confirm vacuum source is regulated and set to 80 millimeters of mercury when occluding the distal end of the tubing. Check the connection on all system components. The vacuum canister lid should be sealed, ports closed with no cracks. Consider increasing the vacuum setting to 90 millimeters of mercury if the uterus does not collapse or the bleeding does not stop. The next S is seal. Check that the cervical seal is filled with 60 to 120 milliliters of sterile fluid. Assess to make sure that the cervical seal is located in the vagina and outside the external cervical os. The seal may not work if it is slipped up into the cervix or into the uterus. The next S is sweep. Ensure there are not any retained products of conception or clots. Consider manual extraction, curettage, and ultrasound. Lastly, source. If these previous troubleshooting suggestions do not stop the bleeding, re-evaluate for other or additional sources of bleeding. Once you work through the 4 S's, confirm JADA is working appropriately by ensuring bleeding is controlled, the patient is stable, and the uterus is firm. Vacuum should be active for at least 1 hour with an additional 30-minute verification period. Use your clinical judgment to determine when to remove JADA after patient is stable. Thank you. This has been MedTech Minis on the JADA system. For more information, visit thejadasystem.com/training.